Are you wondering how do all of those traders that you follow find the hottest stocks to trade? If that's the case, then this is the video for you. So an example of a hot stock that we have today is YECO. It's up 93% as of this moment, and it was the one that spiked up almost 1,000% like a week ago. So usually on a good day, we might have 2 to 3 of these stocks. So let's not waste time and get started how to set up a scan in ThinkorSwim to find these type of stocks. So you're gonna go to the scan tab and you're gonna create a new one, which is going to the load scan and then create scan. And let's name this low float momentum. And the criteria you're gonna have is, first you're gonna select close, which is for the price here. The minimum we're gonna do is 30 cents, and the reason why I want to do 30 cents is not because I'm gonna trade a 30-cent stock necessarily, but because you know, as you can see here, these stocks are like $1, $4, $2, and these 30-cent stocks can sometimes spike up to $1. And so I want to see them before they get to that point and be prepared. And the maximum we're going to do then is $15. Now for volume is key here. Volume, and instead of percent change, we're going to do shares. So these two are key because we're going to use shares as an estimate of the float of that stock, and we're going to use volume to filter out the low float stocks that are not, you know, moving on the day. So for the volume, we're gonna do 500,000 minimum, and maximum, I don't know why it does this, so I'll just select it right here. So let's keep it at that. Yeah, we're not gonna cap the maximum because why would you? And for the number of shares, we're also gonna do 500,000. Yeah, I don't know why I did that again, so let's just move it. Yeah. And for maximum, we will cap this one because we want to keep it only to the low float stocks. And we're going to do 50 million for this one. Is this 50 million? 57? Yeah, so let's just keep it at this 57. And the reason, ideally it should be, you know, 50 million that I have in my scanner. And the reason we want to use like 50 million is because we want to keep it to low float stocks, but some, which as you can see here, are typically, you know, like 60 million, 2 million, which is perfect, which is like the ideal number for the low float stocks. 6 million, 20 million, but sometimes like stocks like this, NBEV, we have it at 49 million, or this one at 42 million. And so I want to see those stocks and be prepared in case there is a pattern that I like. This is just in case too, you know, sometimes we don't have these extremely low float stocks that are like the picture perfect ones. And so I still want to see other ones to have my options available. So we click save, and then you're gonna go here, load, personal, and select the one that we just created, low float momentum, and you're gonna click scan. As you can see, this is the same as I have it right here. The most important thing then is to sort it by volume, because if it's not, you're just gonna get a mess. So sort it by volume from top to the lower ones, and this is what you use. Another key thing I want to mention is that this is the type of scan criteria you can use for during the day for once the market opens. But if you want to run a scan pre-market, because the volume is way lower during those hours, what you're gonna do is just lower this volume criteria to like 50,000 or something, just to see what is out there if you want to be prepared before the market opens. This is exactly what this scanner is. You just lower the volume of this scanner and use a pre-market and run this scanner once the market opens. And so if you find this helpful, please let me know. Let me know if you use it and if you like it. And I look forward to making another video.